Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create inventory locations. Let's focus on the steps to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create inventory locations, let's talk about the purpose of this. The purpose of this is to enabling business to organize, monitor, and track inventory across different physical locations such as warehouses or stores. So first accessing back office and you go into the back office. So we're ready here in back office. So you can type your username and your password. So click this login. So go to in the items inventory. So locate this inventory locations. So we're ready here in inventory location and I will discuss is what is all about. So first, the location code means a special code to identify each storage spot. This the location name means a clear name for each storage area so people can easily find it. And the dimension, how big how big the storage area is so you know how much stuff it can hold. Then the ID address, the phone, the secondary phone, and we create a inventory location. So, for example, the location code is DF, I defect, defective, and the location name is, for example, like stock, stock inventory, stock inventory, and you can put this in. For example, telephone number is 80. And their phone is it's not this is optional 096199 like this. And you can optional of this facsimile number or email dimension. And right now you can click add new. So we have a new location has been added. So as you can see, we have a stock inventory and then our location code is DFT and the location name is stock inventory, the dimension 0, like this. The dimension is automatically. So this is the process on how to create inventory locations.